What is the Project Management Survival Guide in a nutshell? The Project Management Survival Guide is a highly interactive 2-day workshop developed by experienced practitioners and honed over many years. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced project managers who perhaps have had no formal training. It delivers both the hard and soft skills of project management, the soft skills and the management of stakeholders becoming increasingly important in project management. It's based on a well-known methodology: define, plan, action and review. It's delivered across the UK in both public and in-company workshops, and it helps project managers deliver projects on time, on budget and on target.